Hi, welcome to IFN Vegetarian. I'm Kamini Patel and I'm your chef for the day. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for my new videos. Today's recipe is an apple chutney. So for the apple chutney, you start off by heating about a teaspoon or two of vegetable oil and bring it to a low heat. And then first, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now, you just wait for it to sizzle slightly. And you have your turmeric, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, and your chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. And you add 1 bay leaf and about a pinch or a 1/4 teaspoon of hing and half a cinnamon stick. Then you add 2 onions, and then your apple. So I say about 1½ cups or 2 apples, 2 to 3 apples grated depending on the size. Stir the apples and make sure they're all coated with the masala. And you add your salt, about a teaspoon. This requires a bit of a slow cooking method. And then I say about ½ cup to brown sugar. If your apples are very sweet, you can reduce it to about 1/4 cup. Coat the sugar into the masala and the apples. And then finally, ½ cup apple cider vinegar. And that's all there is to it. And let it cook for about 20 minutes. The longer it takes to cook, the better the flavor turns out. So now our liquid has burned off. It's become into a nice thick paste. And we can just scoop it into a bowl. I like to leave the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick inside. So there you have it, the apple chutney. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a shot and leave your feedback in the comment section. Like and share this video and subscribe to IFN Vegetarian, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for your notifications.